itself described the kind of a person he was. Quite industrious, you know, who went out of his way. He has no history, you know, of ancestral leadership. He actually stood out from his village and campaigned against all odds without resources and became an MCA. And then eventually, he campaigned within the assembly, unanimously, again without resources and without serious backing, and it was given from the majority side. He was able to be voted in by his colleagues as the majority leader. In fact, Honorable Speaker, it'll interest you to know that even when he was traveling, he actually got boarded in a vehicle of a colleague, a nominated MCA. He did not even use his official vehicle. He wasn't using his official vehicle to Nairobi. I mean, moving around with his colleagues, because there were 3 in the vehicle, of course, plus the driver, now 4, they traveled in one vehicle together. And it was quite unfortunate that when they arrived close to Maimahio, Honorable Speaker, they hit a motorcycle that was ahead of them. And that, of course, got into the road without looking at the road signs and such. And this, of course, confused the driver because the motorcycle was carrying charcoal. And, of course, the charcoal blew out, of course, the dust, made the scene dark. The driver veered off the road and, you know, got to the ditch. Quite unfortunate that we lost him. And the stories we hear, Honorable Speaker, is that, of course, unfortunately, he wasn't, he did not belt up when he got into the vehicle. And it's through that scene that, from where he was seated, just beneath the driver, it was pushed towards the front side where the driver was by that very speed of the impact of the fall. And it's quite unfortunate when you look at the kids, very young kids, 3 kids, all below 10 years of age, have been left fatherless. And the people of Nyamira Ward, of course, they had actually started with the programs of coming up with development within the Nyamira Ward. They've just lost a serious leader, very focused. Honorable Speaker, so I wish the family, I pass my heartfelt condolences to the family, and also wish Honorable Duke, the Deputy Majority Leader, quick recovery, and Honorable Priscilla, who got injured at the spinal cord, a bit of a quick recovery also. And may Honorable Elijah's soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
The Honorable